5 life hacks you won't believe actually work. Cool a drink in 15 minutes. Just wrap your beverage in a wet paper towel and freeze. Thanks to water evaporation, it'll be cold in no time. Lost your bookmark? Use a bread clip. It latches onto a page perfectly and will keep your place just as effectively. Want to boost your phone's volume? Put your phone in an empty cup or bowl. The shape will act like a speaker and amplify the sound. Peeling garlic can be tedious. Try this: break up the head, put the cloves in a metal bowl, cover, and shake hard for 15 seconds. Voila! Peeled cloves. Tired of losing your remote? Attach Velcro to the back of your remote and the side of your TV or coffee table. Stick your remote onto the Velcro when not in use, and it'll always be in reach.